Welcome to Lesson 2, The Benefits of ISO 50001. Pursuing ISO 50001 implementation and certification can bring many benefits to your organization. Understanding the different aspects of ISO 50001 and the benefits of each can help you align them with your internal drivers to determine both your end goals and the appropriate path to get there. In the first lesson, you learned about the three components that lead to ISO 50001, including the implementation of good energy management practices, a documented continuous improvement process, and third-party recognition. Now let's look at the benefits of each. Implementing good energy management practices will help your organization reduce energy consumption, costs, and greenhouse gas emissions. These good practices can also provide other benefits, such as improving equipment reliability, occupant comfort, production, and more. Implementing and documenting a formal continuous improvement process will help strengthen and improve the resilience of your energy management efforts. By assigning clear responsibility, regularly assessing compliance, and taking corrective action, you can ensure achievement of long-term energy savings. Finally, third-party recognition can help meet specific customer or market obligations, including, in some cases, regulatory or funding eligibility requirements. It can help build brand reputation and be used to highlight your organization's efforts to improve environmental performance and operational excellence. With these benefits in mind, the next step in determining which road to ISO 50001 is best for you is to consider your internal drivers. This will help ensure that your organization is realizing the benefits that align with your priorities. If your primary driver is to reduce energy costs or greenhouse gas emissions, then focusing on adopting good practices might be the right fit for you at the moment. If you want deeper and longer-lasting savings to support the achievement of long-term goals, establishing formalized continuous improvement processes would be a great option for you to pursue. Finally, third-party recognition can help meet specific customer or market obligations, including, in some cases, regulatory or funding eligibility requirements. While you may have a pretty good idea of what those drivers are, it is highly recommended that you seek input from and develop a consensus with key people in your organization, particularly senior management involved in strategy and planning. Once you've identified your drivers and understand how they align with the value each component of ISO 50001 provides, you can use that to identify a specific end goal for your organization. Establishing good energy management practices will help you achieve energy savings. Achieving ISO 50001 compliance, which means following and implementing all aspects of the standard without pursuing certification, is a good goal for organizations that want to go beyond good energy management practices and implement formal continuous improvement processes that help achieve deeper and longer-lasting energy savings. When it comes to third-party recognition, there are two options. The 50001 Ready program provides third-party recognition for organizations that self-attest to having achieved ISO 50001 compliance. Candidates can use the 50001 Ready Navigator to register and guide their implementation efforts, and once they have implemented a compliant energy management system, they can apply to be listed on Natural Resources Canada's website of recognized 50001 Ready organizations. The second way to achieve third-party recognition is full certification. This process involves establishing your energy management system and then engaging an independent registrar who will audit your organization's compliance with the 50001 standard. The rigor of this process provides additional confidence to regulators, customers, and the public about your actions and commitment to energy management. In addition to the different benefits these endpoints provide, it's also important to consider the resources required. Each of these end goals requires a different level of commitment in terms of time and cost. In general, the resource intensity will increase with the level of complexity, but this is just a general guideline. If you already have ISO certifications for other standards, then the incremental effort to add 50001 will be less than starting from scratch. Developing a solid understanding of your drivers, your resource availability, and how the different end goals align with them should give you a good idea of where you want to go. In the next lesson, we'll explore the different ways you can get there. We're here to help you find the road to 50001 that works for you.